Today, my experience with the trance breath is this beautiful woven way of like exploring these different parts of my body, my soul, and my mind. And through trance breath was this such an ease to connect the three together and explore like my physiology, explore my emotional body, explore my spirit through the beautiful sounds, the words, and the voice that Julie offers throughout the session. And what I actually love about it is this unity, like the trinity kind of between the masculine and the feminine, beautiful woven balanced approach between like actively breathing and passively breathing. And it creates this perfect balance physiologically, chemically, and emotionally, where you have a safe ground to explore all these different aspects and to take this vehicle, which is trance breath, which I found a lot more safer than other vehicles that have led me to somehow the same place, yet it's more enjoyable. The journey is smooth, and I found myself to be able to be more self-conscious of the breathing pattern that I'm going through on the journey. And compared to connective conscious breathing, which is a lot more passive and feminine, I find myself to be over conscious about what's happening, which takes away from the experience. And in holotropic and other masculine way of conscious breathing, I find myself like completely forgetting my body and falling into dysfunctional way of breathing. Uh, and with this breathing session, what I love about it is it's this like interconnected, balanced way between the two that kind of like leads to wherever the breath is wanting to take me. Highly recommend trance breath for everyone who's very curious about exploring their bodies, about exploring breath and the power of breath and what breath can do, like this beautiful vehicle that we could use to land to land over to land over these like areas that we haven't yet explored. And yeah, I think trance breath is this beautiful vehicle that has been put together by Julie with more than 10 years of work and experience and studying and experimenting and working with people. And you know, I highly appreciate the work that has been put towards putting this technique together, and I recommend it for breath workers, for someone who is new to breath work, and for anyone who is curious about exploring their mind, body, and spirit.